So I guess the most common vehicle that is available is the power of attorney. And again, the power of attorney is a living document. It permits what we call the donor, this is the individual, granting the authority to someone, typically an adult, of course, that you trust to make both legal and financial decisions on your behalf, even if you lose subsequent mental capacity. So again, the powers of attorneys are limited to legal and financial decision making. They do not cover healthcare related decision making. Now the test to be able to develop a power of attorney is very high. And so traditionally these documents would not be available for individuals where there may be an element of diminished capacity. And so this is where we have family members perhaps with disability that may not be able to do a power of attorney. So this may be a more common vehicle for individuals that have full capacity and that are looking to have precautionary measures embedded in their plans to ensure that if they are to lose capacity or if they are needing assistance in terms of decision making affecting their legal and financial affairs, that they are able to appoint someone, and we call that person an attorney, and that person then has the ability to assist in making decisions for that individual. Now there are three types of powers of attorneys. There's the general, the specific, and the enduring. So we'll run through each of those. So the first, again, is the general power of attorney. And this is a power of attorney that has broad powers to handle financial and legal affairs. And it ends if the donor of the power becomes mentally incapable. There are also specific powers of attorneys that have specific timelines and conditions, and these limit the powers of that attorney to specific tasks, property time, etc. And it's common, in these types of vehicles that it might just be for the purpose, say, of transferring property, and that would be the extent of that transaction. All right, so we have these three types of powers of attorneys, and then we have the enduring power of attorney, which is probably the most common power of attorney that most of us are familiar with. And again, there's broad powers, but most importantly, these power of attorney documents do not end if the donor becomes incapable due to illness, disease, or accident. So they are effective while you have capacity, but they also have effectiveness during a period where you endure or lose that capacity.